Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Google background. It's very easy to do. Once you have your Google Chrome open and you're signed in on your Google account, you want to make sure that you signed into the right Google account, or else it will change whenever you're signed into a different one. But once you're signed into your Google account, you want to go up to the top right here. Mine has a little circle right now with this exclamation point, but yours might have the 3 dots. Regardless, you want to click on the far right option up here, and then you'll see an option for settings. You want to go ahead and click on settings. And then on the left side of the screen, you'll see an option for appearance. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then under appearance here, you see an option for themes, and it says open Chrome Web Store. You want to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up the Chrome Web Store. And then you see here there's tons of different themes you could choose from. There's different colors, dark and black themes, animal themes, space exploration, minimalist themes. There's tons and tons of different themes you can choose from here. Once you find one that you like, you just want to go ahead and click on that. And then all you have to do from this point is just click on Add to Chrome. And then you'll notice that your theme will change once it's added, just like this one did here. I have this black area up here now. Really, really cool. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your theme on your Google Chrome application. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.